I'm back with another vlog, and for today's vlog, we are going to try first look natin sa She Cosmetics na Crystal Skin Cushion. Okay, so this is actually the second product of Bernal's She Cosmetics. Yes, guys, if you are not familiar with She Cosmetics, this brand is actually owned by Bernal. So technically, it's a local brand, but her manufacturer is actually from Korea. So now for her second product, this is actually called the Crystal Skin Cushion. So she partnered up with Nuni Bosher. I get it right. Yung nakalagay dito eh. Yun. So this one is actually not just a cushion. As you can see here, it says Crystal Skin Cushion, but it also has a highlighter, a contour cream, and lip and cheek cream. O, diba? So it's actually a 4-in-1 product. Nung tinanong ko si Kris when she was conceptualizing this, medyo naging challenge niya is yung pagpili ng shade sa cushion. Kasi nga, diba, sa Korea, sobrang hirap hanapan ng kamatch na tone ang mga Pilipina. Yes, totoo yan. Sa mga mahilig gumamit ng cushion. Kasi nga, diba, the cushions actually have a very, very light shade. If you go to different Korean skincare brands or makeup brands, di ba parang we always get the second to the last or the last darkest shade nila. Yung pinakamaputi nila is not even my shade. It's like sobrang puti, parang bond paper. Yun. And now, I think Kris made this formulation because she wants this to cater to Filipina skin. And of course, a lot of Filipinas are very morena, so kailangan bagay sa kanilang skin tone. She released 2 skin tones, so it's number 23 and number 27. So ako naman, I got the number 23, which is natural beige. So this is the lighter one. I forgot what the number 27 is called. I think it's warm beige. Pero ito yung kinuha ko. So I'll show you guys the product. So ayan. Actually, yung cute niya kasi sobrang pink. And it's so fuchsia pink. Spell nyo yun. Ayan. So when you open the box, you will see this. Medyo malaki siya. So when you open the packed, you will see this one. So this is the pang like that. Ano tawag dito? The sponge. So this is actually the cushion sponge. Gusto ko yung ganitong finish. Yung parang nagiging fine yung pagka-fill ng cushion sa skin mo. And when you open it, makita mo, ay, tyan! This is the highlighter and this is the contour cream and then this is the lip and cheek cream naman. Sorry medyo ang dami ko ng pindot dito kasi medyo na-try ko na siya and it's actually really, really nice. So mamaya, I will put it on once we do our finishing touches with our cushion. And ito naman, pagka-lift mo doon sa palette ng cream na highlight, contour, and lip and cheek cream, ayan, makikita mo na yung cushion. Actually, sobrang bango niya. Alam mo, amoy rose siya. Ang lakas makamamary ng smell. Ito, yung 23 na shade. Once you dab it, ganyan yung shade niya. Nakikita niyo ba? It's a bit orangey for my face, but I actually use this color kasi pag gumamit ako ng lighter shade, mas nagiging lighter pa siya sa face ko. Ay, mas na lighter pa. Nagiging lighter pa siya sa face ko throughout the day. So, nagmumukha na akong bond paper. So, ayaw natin yun. Let's put on my face. Wait lang. So, medyo hindi siya nagpantay. Nakakaloka. Ayan. Natapos din. Na-apply ko na. Finally! Hindi pa lang siya sobrang nagsisipin sa skin ko. If you guys can see, it's a bit darker than my original skin shade. Yes, kasi nga, mamaya puputi na naman yan. Sobrang puputi siya. So, mas gusto ko na ganyan siya. It's a bit darker lang. But it's right. Okay. Ay! Now that I've applied the Crystal Skin Cushion, actually, I just want to tell you guys what it really is. So, it's called Crystal Skin kasi nga, it actually gives you the dewy glow and it also has a luminous finish for your face. And it's medium to full coverage ang nabibigay nitong cushion na to. So, pwede mo siyang i-pile up. You can build it up. So, hindi yung parang una lagay mo pa lang, parang, ay, ang dami na niya agad. It's actually buildable. Pero yung una niyang lagay, it's actually medium finish na agad. So, that's okay. And then, of course, it also has properties na, whitening, moisturizing, anti-aging, or anti-wrinkle. And of course, it also has SPF. Alam mo yan si Kris B, mahilig siya maglagay ng kung anong anik-anik sa mga products niya. And she always makes sure na ang products na nire-release niya, there's always another benefit to it. Hindi lang basta, oh, it's a nice cushion, or parang na it's buildable. Gusto niya, it's packed with a lot of nutrients for our skin so that it also nourishes from within. hacks. Ganun tagline no na. Parang yung mga liquid lipsticks niya, actually it has peppermint. So it doesn't dry out your lips. And then meron din siyang mga nilagay na, I forgot what it's called, pero para maging soft yung lips mo and it doesn't dry it out. O, diba? I've applied the Crystal Skin Cushion. Ano bang verdict ko? Actually, maganda siya sa balat. Hindi nag-dry. Hindi nag-dry yung balat ko kasi some cushions when I apply it, grabe yung parang mukhang patsi-patsi agad yung sa mukha ko. Hindi naman dry yung mukha ko, pero lumalabas na parang ang flaky niya. Parang mas flaky pa siya sa dandruff sa ulo ko. Ayan, if I look at it up close, hindi siya mukhang, alam mo yun, well blended. It sits well with my skin. But I think yun nga, Kris needs to develop lighter shades for more, mas maputing Pinay than me. And now, let us test the creams that come with Crystal Skin Cushion. So, tignan natin tong contour na ito. Hindi ako marunong mag-contour, guys. So, gabayan sana ako ng Panginoon sa pag-apply nito. Konti-konti lang because we don't know. Ay, bongga. Actually, I think I should apply this to my eyelids as well as like cream eyeshadow. What do you think? By the way, say hello naman sa lahat ng kalat namin sa likod. Nakitang-kita nyo pala kanina pa. Hindi man lang ako naglikpit. Pero okay lang yan. Kailangan tanggap nyo lang ako. Hindi ako marunong mag-apply ng contour, guys. Aminado naman ako. Pero, nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Effect naman yung contour. Nakikita nyo naman yung parang inattempt ko na contour sa gilid ng mukha ko. So, I guess natawid naman siya. Konti lang kasi yung payat ng face ko. Ayan, oh, puputi na ako. Oh my gosh. Ayan. And then, let us put the highlighter. Dito natin siya lalagay. It's so easy to put on your skin, ah. It's buildable also, the creams na kasama. Ayan. And what I like about it is that the highlighter gives you this dewy glow na parang hindi ka naglagay ng cream but instead, balat mo siya, balat mo yung kumikinang at kumikislap. Eh, ang dami. Ang dami ko nalagay. Saya naman. Kanina pa pala ako kumikinang dito. Wala namang kisasabi. Para tamang kinang lang. Wait, natatawa ako kasi ang dami kong nalagay. Tapos lagay din tayo ng onte sa may dito. Para kunwari matangos yung ilong natin. Tapos sabi nila, lagay ka din daw dito. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero basta maglagay daw dito. Nagawa ko lang. Again, guys, mas magaling ako sa skincare stuff. Okay? Hindi ako magaling mag-makeup. Experiment lang to. Okay, for the finishing touches, dahil nga hindi tayo masyadong mag-makeup look today, I am going to... I love the color. I'm going to put this lip and cheek cream on my cheeks. Try natin. Bilang Friday ngayon, and pag Friday, kailangan pabebe look. Also, kailangan munggo ang ulam today. Sobrang love ko siya. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Can I just say, hindi ko in-expect tong kulay na to. Pinagdebatihan namin ni Kris kung ano yung ilalagay niya na kulay na lip and cheek cream. And sabi ko, kailangan sobrang match for maputi or morena skin. Lalo na for the cheeks. Kasi syempre, di ba, gusto natin masuglit talaga yung kulay. And since she's just releasing 2 shades, and kailangan bagay siya dun, di ba? Tama naman na naging decision niya. Ang ganda niya! Oh my gosh! The sweet look. Lagyan natin siya sa lips ko. Achieve naman tong pabebe look on a Friday. Buildable din yung creams, by the way. So, huwag kayo matakot maglagay. Like ito, ang dami nung nalalagay ko dito. Pero pag ina-apply ko na siya dito, parang very light na siya. Ayan, tapik-tapik pa more. Oh, ang cute. Medyo di ko to in-expect, ah. Kasi na-try ko lang originally yung test product na hiwa-hiwalay. Hindi ko siya trinay as a whole. So, good job, Kris B. Another pak na product ka na naman dito. Okay, so na-achieve naman natin ang ating gustong mangyari with the Crystal Skin Cushion. Oh my gosh, I am so surprised. Legit to kasi nga, again, sinabi ko kanina, hindi ko siya na-try na buo. So, na-try ko lang siya na hiwa-hiwalay yung cushion, yung cream, yung contour, yung lip, yung lip and cheek na cream on my face. So, hindi ko siya na-achieve yung parang magkakasama silang lahat on my face. And in fairness, ganda oh. Wait lang, dagdag lang ako ng onting-onte. Diba? Dagdag lang ako ng eyeliner para lang naman madala natin yung achieve natin na look today. O, diba? Hindi pantay. So, yan. Natapos na rin ang aking look na gusto ma-achieve. In fairness naman to this Crystal Skin Cushion ni Kris B, ha? Na-achieve niya talaga. And I think this is priced at 1,449 pesos, if I got it correctly. And she's selling it on her website. Of course, ang She Cosmetics, they have accounts on Shopee and Lazada, so you can actually buy there. I have a link down below where you can purchase this product if you want to get it for yourself. Again, this has a number 23 and a 27 shade. Etong gamit ko is the number 23. which is the natural beige. So, ganito yung ma-achieve nyong look if you want the natural beige one. Sorry, I haven't tried the warm beige. So, hindi ko masabi kung anong shade niya. Pero makikita nyo naman siya when you visit the website or her Instagram or their shops on e-commerce. So, yun, ayan. Ano bang verdict ko dito? Actually, sobrang sulit siya for 1,450 pesos or 1,449 pesos. You guys, if you get this, 1,449 pesos, usually, ang mga cushions in Korean brands, they're priced at 2,000, 3,000 pesos or even 4,000 pesos. Yung refill nga parang 1,500 or 1,700 pa. And it's just the cushion that you'll get. But for this one, you'll actually get highlighter, contour, and lip and cheek cream pa. So, I think this very, very sulit kung di nyo pa kunin to, ewan ko na lang. And I think she also has a promo running on her socials. So, please do check it out if you want to avail this product para syempre more discounts, panalo sa ating pagkabili. Ayun! So, do you guys like this on me? Ako, I like it on me. So, yeah. Actually, yung cream, mas natuwa ako. Yung crystal skin cushion naman na-achieve niya yung pagka-crystal skin sa mukha ko. So, diba? Kuwang-kuwa naman. Ayun lang. So, thank you guys for watching. If you want me to make more whatever videos, let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.